Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you if your Starlink is not working, how to fix it. Follow the steps one by one. Most problems are fixed with the basic. Open the Starlink app on your phone. Look at the status message. It may say offline disconnected, researching restricted. This message helps identifying the problem. After that, unplug the router from power, wait for 1 4 minutes, then plug it back in. Give it 5 minutes to fully reconnect. This fixes many issues. Go outside and look at the Starlink dish. Make sure it has a clear view of the sky. Remove trees, objects or snow blocking it. Then check the cable from the dish to router. Make sure it's plugged in tightly and not damaged. Loose cables are a very common cause. On your phone, go to the setting app. Make sure you are connected with Starlink Wi-Fi. Turn Wi-Fi off and back on if needed. Reset your phone, tablet or computer, then reconnect to Starlink Wi-Fi. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.